Salam. Today, we will be solving exercise 4, question 4.9, class 11 statistics, according to PTB syllabus. Let's get started. The question is, the mean of a set of 10 values is 25.2 and its standard deviation is 3.72. For another set of 15 values, mean and standard deviation are 25.2 and 4.05 respectively. Find the combined standard deviation of the 25 values taken together. So let's have a look at the first statement carefully and obtain the data. Here, number of observations N1 is 10, the mean, by 1 bar is 25.2, and the standard deviation S1 is 3.72. Now, the next statement says that the number of observation, N2 is equal to 15, mean by 2 bars is 25.2. And the standard deviation S2 is equal to 4.05. So now our final statement states that, find the combined standard deviation of the 25 values taken together. Do you remember we learnt about a formula, combined mean in lecture 3.2? Today, we'll be using exactly that. So, here we have all the data available, and it perfectly fits the formula xc bar equals to n1 x1 bar, plus n2 x2 bar, over n1 plus n2. Thus, we place in the values of by 1 bar and by 2 bars and n1 and n2, and we get the answer 25.2. Next, of course, our main purpose was to find the combined standard deviation of all the 25 values. So for that, let's tabularize the data for convenience. Next, add a column x bar minus the combined mean xc bar whole square. For that we subtract each x bar with the combined mean 25.2 and then whole square it. And surprisingly we get the answer 0 for both. Now add s square with the previous column's result. By the way, s square is simply called variance. Anyways, we add the values of s square with 0, so we got the same result as the value of s square itself. After that, we add another column, in which we multiply n with the results of the previous column, i.e., 10 multiplied by 13.83, so we get the answer 138.4. For the first row and for the second the answer is 246. Calculate the summation. And here is the formula of combined standard deviation. So be quick and put the values in here, i.e. square root 384.4 over 25, and finally you'll get the answer 3.92. I hope this was helpful. If yes, then don't forget to subscribe.